It's showtime! What's going on, everybody? This is Richard Suxampit, your local real estate professional for all new home builds in the Tampa Bay, Florida area. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, then don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that way you know whenever we release a new home tour in the Tampa Bay, Florida area. Today, I am out here in Parrish, Florida, visiting the Windwater Community built by Mattamy Homes. This community has no CDDs, it's gated, has 10 floor plans, and a little over 200 homes that they're being built. Right behind me is the Red Rock model. Let's go check out this home and take a tour with me, and we're getting into it in 3, 2, 1, let's go! for watching the video. If you'd like to see more home tours, then follow along. And until the next time, 3, 2, 1, let's go.